I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Odyssey with 2 players. First, ensure you have 2 Joy-Con controllers connected to your Nintendo Switch. Once in the game, navigate to the main menu and select the 2-player mode option. This setup allows one player to control Mario and the second player to take charge of Cappy, Mario's helpful hat. It's a fantastic way to experience the adventure together. As player 1, you'll be in full control of Mario himself. You'll guide his movements, execute his iconic jumps, and perform all his special attacks. Your primary goal remains collecting power moons to fuel the Odyssey airship and progress through the game's vibrant kingdoms. Remember to gather coins and hearts to help both players stay in the adventure. It's a classic Mario experience with a cooperative twist. Player 2 takes on the crucial role of Cappy, Mario's magical companion. You'll have independent control over Cappy, allowing you to attack enemies, collect items, and even capture certain objects. Cappy can also be used to extend Mario's jumps, reach distant platforms, and solve environmental puzzles. Your precise control of Cappy is essential for navigating challenges and uncovering hidden secrets throughout the game. To truly master 2-player Super Mario Odyssey, teamwork is key. Coordinate your movements with Mario to navigate tricky platforming sections and defeat formidable foes. Cappy's ability to fly and interact independently allows you to reach areas Mario cannot access alone, opening up new paths and secrets. By working together, you'll efficiently collect power moons, conquer bosses, and fully explore every corner of the game's expansive worlds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.